heading out to water the plants. It is the summer in Texas. We're above 90, 100 most of the time. So it doesn't matter if I go early in the morning, late at night, it's gonna be hot and full of mosquitoes. So I even have my off spray here just to protect myself, especially in the evening, but it has to be done. It is too hot. The plants, the garden, the yard, it's got to be watered. Thankfully, I was asked to review and set up with you the Lumary Smart Water Timer right here. So, as you can see, it's got dual hoses and it is smart, meaning you can access it through your smartphone, not even needing to be in the house to set the timer, the watering of the plants. You can just set it up on your smartphone. So we're gonna try it out. First of all, what's in the box here? Pretty basic. You got, and the connection, of course. It's not just the timer here. So, but let me get the timer out. So here you go, with the two hoses connection. And here, what do I have? So it is waterproof because it's gonna have to be, yes, plugged in. So we have the plug here. I'm gonna see how that works. Actually, it does not come with a manual, so hopefully it's really smart and I can figure it out. And here you have the two connections for the two hoses. Little spare ring here, but that is pretty much it in the box. So what do I have here? Looks like you can open it, so maybe, well, yeah, it does require batteries. It says 4 AAA batteries. So it's waterproof, so every time it's waterproof, it's kind of hard to take out, but here you go. So I'm gonna go insert the batteries. My guess is this one's gonna have to be plugged in inside the house to hook it up with the Wi-Fi. So let me set it up, and then I'm gonna download the app and let the app drive me through the installation, because there's not many buttons here, just these two. It's pretty basic, right? So hopefully it's very easy to set up. So this is what you have in the box, and I have to admit, not having an instruction manual here took me a bit by surprise. But this is the modern way. Everything is electronic, so you need a smartphone, you need an app, and then I just give it a chance and tried it. So, I mean, putting in the batteries was fairly easy here. The second thing I did was plugging in the little black receiver, you know, to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So that's also fairly easy. If you need to reset it, you just have to press for 5 seconds on the button until it blinks. And that is it. Then I went onto my smartphone to download the Lumary app. And then honestly, I just let the app drive me through the installation process. You have to find the device you need to plug in. And they have so many devices. That was actually the hardest part, was to find which is the one I have because it's just all over the place. But yeah, I found it and just added the device. Look at it. It was plugged in. It's just connected with my phone, my app, and it was done. That was pretty much it. The whole process here. And to pair this device here, you have to press and hold for 5 seconds until these two lights starts blinking. And then it's just automatically detected in your phone, and you can just go ahead and just continue, and that is it. Then you get the setup screen. I'm trying to capture here with my phone. I took screenshots so that you see what to expect when you actually plug it all in and enables it through your phone, but that is it. Then the next step is outside in the garden, just plugging it in with the hose, the water, and I didn't need any additional equipment here. Everything was furnished. The hose just went in, so very easy. And once this is done, you need to set up your timer on the app. So this is the screen you see. So I really like that it actually shows you even the weather and the temperature at the top. You've got the two hoses here, and you're the one deciding. Do you want how long do you want it to run? What time do you want it to start? It's all flexible. You customize it the way you want. And that is it. So now I'm going to switch from that manual sprinkler watering system to an automated one. So if you enjoyed and if you're interested, please make sure to check out the link in the description below. And at the same time, hit the thumbs up. Thank you all for watching.